Tesla adds Magic Dock to Superchargers in Canada. Tesla is adding its Magic Dock to Superchargers in Canada, letting EVs with the combined charging system. CCS use the most expansive and dependable EV charging network in the world. Tesla started rolling out the Magic Dock earlier this year and started installing it on a number of superchargers in California and New York. The Magic Dock allows non-Tesla EV owners to use Tesla's supercharger network for charging. Most of the Magic Dock locations are enabled to these non-Tesla drivers by way of a scannable QR code on a sign next to the supercharger pile that will give the owner instructions on how to charge their car. Installations have been ongoing for most of the year in sporadic areas, but our research showed the initial rollout was taking place in New York, with the first location being in Verona and in California, with various Magic Docks being located in both Northern and Southern California. Earlier this month, they finally made their way to Texas, near Fort Worth. Now, it appears the Magic Dock has officially made its way to superchargers in Canada via Sawyer Merritt Magic Docks at the Deep River, on Supercharger. From what we understand, this is among the earliest installations of the Magic Dock in Canada, and it marks the entrance of the open supercharger plan from Tesla in a new country. In May, Tesla and the Government of Canada announced a collaboration that would see the automaker open an existing portion of its supercharger network in the country to non-Tesla EV drivers. The collaboration hopes to open about 750 of the individual stalls to non-Tesla drivers by the end of 2025. The announcement was made just one day after Tesla and Ford had announced that the Detroit-based automaker would gain access to 12,000 superchargers across North America in an attempt to make charging more available for any EV driver. It has been one of Tesla's main moves this year, as other automakers like GM, Rivian, Volvo, Honda, Acura, and several others have announced they are also going to adopt Tesla's North American Charging Standard, or NACS. Eventually, all of their vehicles will have the NACS inlet, eliminating the need for the adapter that will be initially required to charge at supercharger locations. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.